By default, they have the display set on what they call A3, and what A3 is, I'm going to show you here real quick, is you click on the screen, it gets bright, you wait 15 seconds and it's going to dim down. So in about 8 seconds from now, it's going to dim down right about now. To change it, you got to come here to this gear icon, you come down here, and you go it twice, and now you see the A3. The thing they do that annoys me is they give you 5 seconds to change things. If you notice, the A3 went away and went back to off. So if we go back there, again, just wait 5 seconds, this will disappear, and then it'll say off again. To me, that's too short of a time, but that's the way they have it set up. So we've got to come here, hit the gear icon, and then we're going to set it to A2, which is the medium brightness, and then it'll go dim from there. So we come here, go one more time, A3, we're going to go down one. Now it's A2. The screen's at medium brightness, but in 15 seconds or so, it's going to dim down. So about right now. Here's how I like to have it set when I'm doing any settings, is I go down one more and that's set to 3. Now it will always stay on the brightest setting. But what still happens, in 5 seconds, if you don't do something, it goes to this off and you have to hit the settings button again. So to get the medium setting all the time, you got to come here and then we'll go down one. And now it's on medium 2 and it'll always stay on. I'm talking about for hours. It won't do that dimming down at all. But in 5 seconds, it still got rid of this and went to off. Now if you want it on the dimmest setting all the time, you come here, go down one more. So now I'm going to brighten it up by coming here and just going 1, 2. So now it'll always stay on that brightest setting. So if we go here to settings and see right now it's set to 3 and I accidentally do it again, now it's at Fahrenheit. And if I say, wait a minute, I want to get back to my screen, settings, there is no back button. If you hit these arrows, it doesn't make you go back. If you hit this, it doesn't make you go back. The only thing you can do is scroll all the way through it. So you have to hit that settings button about 12 times. So we come here and we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you notice, it got back here to where it was off. And now if we do one more time, it gets us to this here. So that is how you change your settings for the brightness of the screen. What we just did on the controller is a lot easier on the app with your phone. And if you want to know how to do that, click on the card on the bottom left. If you want to go to a playlist of all the videos I do on this controller and fan, click on the card on the bottom right. Appropriate Amazon links have been left down below this video. This has been another episode by DIY Ron, so I'm signing off.